Hi friends, today we're using bubble wrap. So you can use it to sit on or stand on. You can use it as a textured experiment, or you can use it as something to paint with. You crumple it up and dab it on your paper, or you can use it as your paper and paint on it just like this. You can use it for sensory and pop the bubbles. You hear with your ears, you pop the bubbles. You can play with them, make music, or you can hit them with a spoon. Or as William likes to do, he likes to use his teeth and his sensory of his mouth to eat them. Isn't that right? Yeah. You want this one? Over here. Yay! Yay! We're playing with bubble wrap, making music, making music. Oh, did you hear that? Yay! We made with bubble wrap. Say bye, friends. Thanks for playing.